Hello, welcome to everyone. In this video, I would like to explain what is Ohm's law and how the voltage and current are related to each other. Okay, for this, just consider a circuit diagram like this. A current conductor is connected with the voltage source V. In order to measure the voltage and current through the conductor, we are using ammeter and voltmeter. Okay, this is the voltmeter which measures the voltage across the conductor, and ammeter is to measure the current flowing through the conductor. Okay, so we are noting each and every value and we are plotting a graph like this. Okay, taking a current along x-axis and voltage along y-axis. Then we get a graph like this. And what does it mean? This means that when the voltage increases, the current flowing through the conductor also increases. Okay, just consider a pipe filled with water like this. What happens if you increase the tilt? Then what happens? More water will flow through the pipe, right? Similarly, if you increase the potential difference across the conductor, then what happened? The current through the conductor also increases. Okay, so this is the Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the current flowing through a current carrying conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference between the ends of the conductor at a particular temperature. Okay, that is V is proportional to I. This is Ohm's law. Then voltage is directly proportional to the current. This is Ohm's law. By equating a constant, we get V equal to I into R, where R is a constant known as the resistance of the conductor. Okay, and this is the equation for Ohm's law, that is V equals I into R. Voltage is equal to current into resistance. Then what is resistance? A resistance is the property of the conductor to oppose the flow of current through it. Okay, so this is a resistance offered by the conductor. What happens if the resistance, so the equation for resistance is equal to V by I. That means when the resistance increases, then what happens to the current? Current is decreases. That is I equal, similarly we can write I equal to V by R. So for greater, the conductor has greater resistance, then it will conduct only smaller current. So for this, in this graph, if we take the slope, we get resistance, that is slope equals V by I. So V by I is resistance. Okay, so the resistance can be calculated from the graph by taking its slope. Okay, suppose you are getting a graph like this, then what does it mean? The resistance of the conductor is less or higher than compared with other resistance. So for this graph, the slope is very less. Okay, slope is small, so we can say that the resistance also very small. Okay, that means the resistance is very less, so it conducts more current for a particular value of voltage. Similarly, so for this particular conductor, the slope is very high. Slope is very high means the resistance is very high. That means it conducts only a smaller amount of current at a particular voltage. Okay, so this is the way of calculating the graph from the value of resistance from the graph. Okay, this is so we can compare the resistance of two materials by drawing the VI graph of that particular material. Again, we just rewind. What is Ohm's law? Ohm's law states that the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference between the conductors, that is V equal to I or V equal to I into R, where R is called the resistance and the unit of resistance is Ohm. Ohm is the unit of resistance, and we know what is resistance. Resistance is the property of a conductor to oppose the flow of current. Okay, so this is a property, or this is a opposing property of a conductor to resist the current through it. And R equal to V by I, and we know how to calculate the voltage graph, voltage current graph. So how can we calculate the resistance? We just take the slope to calculate the resistance.